It's Vanlife, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live long life. It's Vanlife.
Camper van life is something that we both had in our hearts, and I've had it in my heart for a long time. It's one of those bucket list things, but I never really talked about it because I never thought that Bing would be open to it. And Bing started talking about it one day. I thought, oh, that's interesting. So as we heal from our own tragedy, and I build this out, and with these new lessons, it's like you have to live your passions, you have to live how you feel alive inside, and you have to make a way, and you know that God's going to be with you because God created those passions within you. God put those things in your heart. And so in our daughter's honor, who we took out of Bing a month ago, we're going to build something beautiful, and we're going to use it as a family, and we're going to use it to reconnect with God and His creation. The beauty of a camper van, let's be honest, like we all have cabin fever. Everybody wants to get out and travel, but who really wants to go to a hotel? I mean, you're gonna bring your own pillow. You're gonna get in there with a Lysol bottle. Even with this, we had to we had to make sure everything was nice and clean. But with a camper van, I mean, you could go somewhere. You don't want to be around people. You want to be around creation. You want those picturesque spots where you can just park it and get out under the awning, and cook your food out there and just enjoy God's creation.
Live the simple life.
Live the simple life and get back to the basics. Get back to what it's all about. So this is a time in our lives where, even though this was built for that 78-year-old man, I can't stop thinking that it was built for us. This is a brand new build, and he never got to use it. And God works in mysterious ways, so we are gonna honor Him to the best of our abilities with using this. And we're really excited about it, and we'll keep you posted, I'm sure, as the build progresses. I'm ready to start tearing things out. All this upholstery, all this stuff that you see, that Miriam's touching, it's all going. We gotta get it back down to the basic structure there and start building from that spot. So keep you posted. What does Miriam think of the camper van?
Nice.
It's nice?
Yeah. You get to like the round.
Here. Whoop, whoop, very good. So here's our progress inside. This is going to be a Murphy bed that folds down this way and lands on this landing here. So the bed will be across the whole thing at night. And this is a sofa. So during the day, it's a sofa. But at night, we remove the cushions and the bed comes right across to the kitchen. So this is the cabinet side. We got some progress done there. And we have Bing out here, hard at work standing. There she is. Yeah. We're getting motivated, we're getting to it. Bringing the dream to reality. So we're getting pretty excited here, building out the kitchen. This is the kitchen countertop. And most of our major ingredients have arrived through Lazada. So today's arrival was bittersweet. We have our kitchen sink, It's gonna go here, and it's a special fold-down sink, fold-down faucet. So we'll actually be able to utilize, you know, the faucet goes down, and then we'll have a cover that hinges up, that came with tempered glass that shattered during the delivery. But we don't care because we didn't want that glass anyway with a 4-year-old mischievous child jumping around on furniture all the time. I'm sure she's going to be climbing onto this countertop. So this is where the tempered glass was. See how it hinges. So what we're going to do is take out the rest of the glass, of course, and we're going to make a nice top ourselves out of probably wood and epoxy. You know, you can flip this down, and then once that flips down, oops, this way. See that? How it flips down? And then you'll be able to use the rest of the countertop, which is really important for us. We wouldn't have been able to fit a regular sink faucet here. So, it's pretty cool. We were able to get this. And, yeah, we're glad that the tempered glass broke because we would have been excited to kind of use it because it kind of looks cool, but it came in about 53,000 pieces. So, can't use it. And we're grateful for that. We're going to build our own. And it'll be solid, and it'll be made out of wood, so nobody's going to shatter it. So, yeah, that's our project. I'm just going to build out the rest of the countertop right now as we speak, and then we'll show you the progress. Okay. Sending love from the Philippines. Woo! Wow.